Dahan-dahan lang ko. Nahinay lang. Okay, good, honey.
Good job.
Yan inonday. Tiba deh. Naon?
Fresh. Yes.
Na.
Let's go bust that thing open and have some milk. Wow. Thank you so much. After about 8 hours of bus rides that day and about an hour ride on a dirt bike when we got there, we were thirsty and hungry.
Ay, butaya sa kuantay. Saday. Idungagan mo tani kisa. Ha? Limpyo mo ni pizza? Mo gani. Limpyo mo ni.
Ala, honey.
Damn. I got the coconut juice. Yay. It's okay. Hey, that stuff's good for you. Even if it busts you in the face, it's good. Oh, wow.
The white?
Look, now we got something to drink. Look.
Okay. Something to drink.
It's okay. A good coconut, too.
How about this one?
We can eat it.
You can eat this one?
Patok sana sa kuanti. Kutsara sa kuanti. Patok te. Te. Utak luban.
Beautiful.
Or buko. Buko in a Filipino. Remember the halo-halo, right? This is one.
Yeah.
The ingredients, coconut.
I think we need to eat every bit of that here in a minute. That's my favorite thing in the world is coconut. It just peels off there like cake icing or something. Pretty easy, huh? I've never ate a coconut like this.
Before?
No.
The American. Oh, really? Okay, you can try.
That's so good. Delicious. So good for you.
That's good for you.
More.
More?
More. I mean, there's more right there.
Okay.
And that's
No,
no
no,
good.
no. It's not for ano. Oh, you want more?
Huh?
You want more? Honey, I know.
That's delicious.
Here. One try. No.
Just water. Just coconut water here. It's so good. This is why I went around the entire world to drink the most delicious drink in the world, coconut. Now that's one of the things I wanted, and I got it. Wow, they're so blessed here to have all this abundance. It's amazing. Delicious, this coconut water.